Welcome to this cup game. Should be a close one, but neither team will want to go out at this stage. Off we go. Let's hope for some goals then today. Passed out wide then. Great challenge. Superb challenge. Sends it forward. And that's a throw-in. Lovely day for the game. It's a throw-in. Short throw. Captain on the ball. Nifty bit of footwork there. Oh, great tackle. Miller. A few olays from the crowd here. Great challenge. That will be the goalkeeper's ball then. World-class save there. That's well off target. And that's out for a goal kick. Cleared forward by the goalkeeper. And it's with the captain. Takes the ball cleanly. Good challenge. Nice work there. Keeper collects that one. Half-time in, I don't remember seeing a game this bad. Let's hope it picks up in the second half. Here we go then for the second half. Another 45 minutes to enjoy. Goalkeeper. Keeper sends it long. Oh, nice tackle. Shoots! Oh, that was so close, unlucky. Keeper sends it long. Miller. Challenge and a no-nonsense clearance there. Strong challenge there. Superb challenge. Nice work there. Oh, great tackle. Good stuff. He reads the game so well. Shoots! Oh, the keeper's blocked that one. No cards from the referee today. Well played. Gets the shot in. You'd expect a player with his talent to at least hit the target. The referee has indicated a goal kick. Cleared forward by the goalkeeper. Cleanly. Well, his team are keeping the ball. Oh, can you believe what you're seeing here? That goal has surely decided the match. Game on then. It needed that. The fourth official has indicated 1 minute of stoppage time.